Hey guys, just wanted to share this Quokka extension for JavaScript. It's pretty cool. So let's show you some numbers. Okay. So when this enable start and stop on current file. Okay, now this is running. You can see it here. And you can do something like numbers, and then it will display the numbers here. Let's do a reduce function. Some numbers reduce. So we're gonna use the accumulators and the value, current value. Turn the accumulator and the current value. And now we can test the log numbers. But as you can see, we don't even need to run the node and the file. Oh, same thing. Do the sum. We can still do but here you can check on the fly. I guess that's it for this video.